Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just thought I would give you a little look at my porch all decked out for the 4th of July. There's the little banners that I made, and we hung them up there, or I should say I hung them up there because there's no we. They look so cute. Then I had an extra little flag and I put it on my little outdoor light. And then there's the 4th of July wreath. And I'm about ready to turn all the lights on out here. While I'm out here, I'll just give you a little glimpse of the patio. There are the lights that I hung up that I made from the Dollar Tree. So this patio is almost all a Dollar Tree. So there's the wreath that you just saw me make. And the little tiki torches things. And then the rocking chair, the pillow and the chairs outside. Those the pillow covers came from Gareth, who has created Home of G. He gifted those to me last year, and then of course I just made bows for the corner of the patio. Yeah, but I think it came out really cute for the 4th. Sorry, I'm trying to walk down hills. But yeah, I'm real happy with the way it turned out. I think they look really cute. Now what I did, because when I first put them out, the wind was blowing them around quite a bit and everything, and it was blowing them off those hooks. That's why I wanted the little tiny ones that I couldn't find. But what I did was, I took my hot glue gun and came out here while it was hot, and I just put a little couple drops of glue down in those things, and they held really well. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of my porch and let you know that things that I do create from Dollar Tree, I actually use in my home. So, I hope you like them, y'all. I just love the way my little lights and my wreath turned out. And it's getting dusk out here, so let me see if you can see the lights. Well, you can't see them really good yet because it's not too dark outside, but yep, there they are. And they all work. And I'm excited. There's my wreath. And there's my little things. And there's the doggies. I can't hardly come out here without them with me. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick share of what my patio looked like all decked up for the 4th. And all the projects that I did from Dollar Tree. So have a good 4th of July. Have a wonderful rest of the week. And make sure that if you've not joined my channel yet, do so by hitting that little subscribe button up there. Alright guys, thank you so much. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.